Today for your homework you're going to be doing exponents. Exponents is part of the order of operations. Okay, it's the second step in the order of operations. Today you learned about the order of operations, and a way to remember it is with please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The E is to represent exponents. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do 3 problems, and then I'm going to do the first 2 problems on your homework. Your homework is either a little sheet of paper like this, or it's on 2 separate sheets of paper. Okay? Either one you have the same problems. So, let's do some examples first. So, the first one I'm going to do is 4 to the second. 4 to the second. That tells me that I need to do 4 times 4. I need to multiply 4 2 times. That is not telling me that I need to do 4 times 2. So I need to do 4, I have to multiply 4 2 times. So 4 times 4 is 16. My answer for 4 to the second would be 16. Okay? It would not be 8. 8 would be multiplying 4 times 2. That is not what you do. You multiply this number by however many is the exponent. Okay? So, the next problem I'm going to do as an example is, we'll do 2 to the 5th power. So 2 to the 5th power. This is a lot. You would do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Whew! It's a lot of 2's. Okay, so the very first step I would do is 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 times 2 times 2. I bring them all down. 4 times 2 is 8. Oops. Times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is then 32. So your answer for 2 to the 5th would be 32. You need to multiply your big number by however many times the exponent tells you to. Okay? Last example. Pretty simple. So our last example is 8 to the 3rd. Okay, so this is telling me that I need to do, excuse me. This is telling me that I need to multiply 8 3 times. So 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, this is going to be a big problem. 8 times 8 is 64. I would then, if I needed to, do 64 over here times 3. Times 8. Okay, so 4 times 8 is 24. 6 times 8 is 48 plus 2 is 50. Our answer to this problem, which is really big, would be 504. So 8 to the 3rd is 504. Okay, it is not 24. 24 would be doing 8 times 3. That is not what you're going to do. Okay, first 2 problems on our homework, and then I'll let you do the last 3 on your own. So we're going to do 4 times 3. Take my big number, I multiply it 3 times. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4. If you don't know, you can do it over to the side. 24. 6. It equals 64. 4 to the 3rd equals 64. That's what you should have written next to number 1. Or the very first problem. They're not numbered. So 4 to the 3rd is 64. Okay, and the last problem we're going to do together is 8 to the 2nd. 8 to the 2nd would be doing 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Your answer to the second problem would be 64. If you do not know your multiplication facts, you may use your planner. On page 102, there's a multiplication chart for you to use. So you're more than welcome to use that. Good luck on your next 3 problems, and I will see you tomorrow.